Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com. And today I've got a beautiful line. I'm not going to lie, I kind of jumped ahead. I had to look at it because I am in love. I remember ordering it, of course, but when I saw it in person, the images, oh, I couldn't wait. Introducing Hip Hooray from Graphic 45. We're off to a great start with a name like Hip Hooray. So wait till you see this cutie patootie. We're going to start with a 12 by 12, which I've already removed out of the plastic. It includes 2 sheets of each of the 8 double-sided papers. And wait till you see this. Look at how adorable. Okay, super stinking adorable. Oh, you know what? I didn't put it back the way it's supposed to be. Sorry. This is our signature page. Yeah, I'm in love. It's so cute. It's got a squirrel in a dress, a beautiful treehouse with the windmill. It's got otters with teddy bears. It's got bears. It's got bunnies. It's got little mice. It's got the bear family, the bunny, the cat. I mean, and they have those big, beautiful eyes. I love them. I absolutely love, and the colors are just stunning because they're colorful, but they're kind of vintage. They're so pretty. So we've got 2 of those. Here's the back to that. Then, and again, this is my fault. I totally pulled it out of order, so we're just going to look at it anyway. We've got these beautiful postcards. This is actually the back side of them. You know what? I could probably flip this way. Here's the front. How awesome, right? Like, it's a good thing to give you 2 pages because which page would you choose? Which side? Pretty much impossible. But if you just cut them and you're adding in tags or you're going to mail them out maybe, then you don't have to choose because they are beautifully double-sided. Then we've got these right here. Again, now we see some other furry friends. The bear with the balloon, the little mice exchanging gifts. Here's a bunny full of parcels. And we've got, oh, let me go ahead and, sorry, mute my notifications. And then we've got a bunny here opening a gift. Okay, the kitty with the balloon with those big eyes, just, it kills me. It is adorable. Sorry, got him facing the wrong way, but we've got journaling cards, 12 of them to be exact, and you've got these gorgeous borders as well, the white font with the blue and then the blue font with the white. So you have reverse, you have 2 of each, so don't miss those. But look at all the beautiful journaling cards. And there's the back to that one. Then we've got this one right here with the balloons and the gifts. And then we've got this side as well. We've got all of these great images. Look at these tree houses. Oh, look at the den. How I just beautiful, just beautiful. And then all these great, either if you want to use them as pockets, you can cut them down. You can use them as a little mini accordion book. You can make that as well. Of course, they're excellent for borders. They're great for sentiments. They're great for belly bands. So you've got lots of ways that you could use those. Even more sentiments here. So you have all 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Lovely. Look at these. These are just great. And you can even go this way if you want with them. And then look at that side. It just makes you happy. It reminds me of storybooks from when I was a child and those beautiful illustrations. Now, this page I love. It's been a while since I think I've seen them use a full page like this. I have some retired collections from Graphic 45 that had all the postage stamps. I love these. I love the fact that they've thrown in like 3 different sizes too. But the other ones are just, I mean, you're loaded. You could use your scissors for this. You could use dies to cut them out. I have this rotary kind of tool that does the perforated dotted dash lines, those are great because then they become like stamps. You can tear them right apart. So there's a lot of ways that you could use, that you can cut these, of course. They're just great, beautiful. So that is the 12 by 12 main pad. The 8 by 8 is identical. The only difference is instead of 2 of each, you're going to get 3 pages. So you get 3 sheets of each of what we've seen, and you can see the images are just slightly smaller. How cute is she, really? Oh my goodness. Now it depends on what you're working on. You might need a 12 by 12, you might need an 8 by 8. My mind is racing because I'm keeping the one of each. I want the whole collection, of course, of this, but I'm not sure what to make. I'm thinking a mini journal. Of course, cards would be so easy to make with this beautiful cards. I don't know. Why don't you help me out? Leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to see me make, because maybe an interactive little folio, that would be adorable. Okay, let me know. I'll continue on and while you guys are thinking. Okay, now we've got these beautiful solids and patterns and solids on the 12 by 12 size. You're going to get 16 sheets total. Now they're not fully solids, as you've seen in previous videos. I guess we're going to call them solids because they don't have any images, but do you see that beautiful wash? It almost looks like blue jeans. Isn't that neat? So you're going to get 2 of those, and then this background here. 2 more with the same front, but then the back is got all the little cutie friends. Adorable. Then you're going to get the green color, 2 of that beautiful finish with the stripes, and then 2 of the same front finish. I love that they do this. Sometimes I've been working on a big box and I need 3 or 4 sheets of if I'm covering like a desk organizer or something, um of the same pattern, and this is so handy that they do these solids. And then you've got your balloons in the back. Love this cream color. It's like buttermilk or something. It's so pretty. So you've got this one, and then polka dots. Oh, the glare's coming in. I'm sorry about the lighting, but it's very early here in Florida and the sun is now breaking through and it's creating this glare on the windows. And then this beautiful background. It reminds me of pinwheels almost. Love this one too. Look at these colors. Terracotta finish with the stripes. It's like wallpaper and it's like stitched. Do you guys see that? Look at that. Again, so many details that are hard to see until you actually have these in your hands. Oh, look at these. Again, we have the full collection available, as well as tons more graphic 45. So whether you are a graphic 45 longtime lover or graphic 45 is new on your radar, guess what? Our online store has tons of graphic 45, so make sure you go check that out. And get your hands on this beautiful collection. This is the tags and frames, and I've already opened it. It's going to include all of these great pieces, 28 assorted chipboard pieces. So these are chipboard. They are thick. Okay. And you're going to get tons of frames in different sizes and shapes. These are awesome for album covers. They are great for just adding pictures to pages. They are wonderful for just adding magnets and hanging them on the fridge. And then we're going to get all kinds of tags. Let me put those off to the side. I'm not going to show you every piece because there's tons of them, but there are quite a few, as we saw. But I'll kind of just go through. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Oh, and I was going to show you. See, they included the piece that it was in. So if you wanted to use it like this, you could. If you wanted to add a dimensional foam dot to the back of the bunny, You can still just kind of layer it like this, and that would look awesome. You could, of course, use this as a separate frame or even, stack it like this. Super cute. I love that they included, see, several of those. So, oh my goodness, will you look at these? They're just adorable. Just simply adorable. And there's lots more in there. And of course, you can see there's tons more here. I love these, as I've mentioned before. These are great. You pop these out, and then you can run a ribbon or some kind of trim, lace, or even paper through them, and then they'll become almost like a slider or a really pretty belly band, like a buckle. I am in love with this squirrel. I'm just saying, everyone knows I am a squirrel, right? So I love her. All right, now, in addition to that, we have another pack of ephemera. This is 55 pieces. Wow, look at all of that. We've got some gifts falling out. Oh, here we go. We've even got some of the postage stamps that are already laser cut perforated for us. So all we have to do is pop those out or tear them apart. And then we've got some smaller and some bigger pieces. So let me just dump it in there. We've got some larger pieces. Oh my goodness, I love the houses. Oh, look at this adorable fence. Now, sometimes you'll miss the fact that there are little things to pop out. A trick to that also that might help is just flip them over, and then it becomes a lot easier. Come on, focus. A lot easier to see where those pieces are, right? So you know that you have to pop that out. Love the banners. You get plenty of banners. Oh, I get it. Hip, hip, hooray. And then you get one, you can even write somebody's name across that. Lots of, oh, here's another one. Okay, yeah, I love this line. I am usually not this animated this early in the morning, but I am so excited. I love this line. Oh my goodness. Will you look at the little mice? Okay, you guys got to see this. Look at her little pearl necklace. Graphic 45. You have knocked it out of the park. I love this one. It just makes me happy. Look. It's like, storybooks from days gone by, right? Oh, I love it. Cherie and Amy. Killer, 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 killer. Ladies, I love, oh my goodness. Look at those big eyeballs. Focus. Seriously? And this little bow tie? Okay, this is lovely. Look at all these as well. Again, they're already perforated. You just have to pop them out, and tons more. So we're just going to put that off to the side. Put this off to the side, and then we're going to look at the last two remaining items from this collection. So we've got the beautiful cardstock sticker set. So again, these are cardstock. They're not paper thin. They're also not chipboard. They're somewhere in between. And look at these. Great. So if you do not know, Graphic 45 is an American-owned company, one of the very few, and they are family-owned and operated. So mom started the entire company, and then, of course, the children joined in. Well, I say children, of course, but obviously they are our age, or well, actually they're younger than I am, much younger, but it is a whole family venture where they all work together with the designing, the marketing, the everything, classes. So it is wonderful. Of course, they are a big company now, but it is wonderful to know that it still has that family nucleus to it, and that they are an American-owned and ran company. So just thought I share that with you. I was gonna say almost it's women ran, but that's not a fair statement to say because yes, the guys work there as well. So they must be like, really? How come everybody always mentions the girls? You're right. I apologize. But um, if you ever get a chance to go to any of the trade shows or anything like that, make sure you stop by and say hi to them because they really are like very sweet, down to earth people. I absolutely love knowing them and working with them. These are the rub-ons. Yes, rub-ons. And you all know how much I love with rub-ons. And especially look at these. So many elements to use. You can use just little pieces of it. You could use the whole thing. You can layer them on top of each other or, kind of intermingled. Look at the little creek with the stones. How adorable is that? Everywhere I look, I keep finding more stuff because now I'm looking and do you see this? They didn't waste a millimeter, not one. They put confetti and little things in between each and every area. Look, everything is covered. And so those you can, obviously rub in anywhere in between. And then you get the second sheet with even more elements. Oh, look at the little ledger on the back. And then tons of confetti. And again, you could just use little bits of this. That'll last you for a long, long time, which is amazing. So you guys tell me, what do you think of Hip Hip Hooray? Do you love it? As much as I do, I am sure you do because it just takes you back, doesn't it? It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't even tell you what is my favorite. I don't know what my favorite, all of it, which is why I'm going to have one of each because I can't decide. So, please help me out. Let me know what you guys think, any suggestions, what I could do, should do, what you would like to see done maybe. And of course, go check out this beautiful line and all the graphic 45 products available at spectrumartcreations.com. We do ship worldwide, so whether you're here in the States or overseas, we ship worldwide. So we are happy, of course, to assist you with any order placing and products that you'd like to purchase. Now, I'm going to leave another video here at the end. Actually, I'll leave a couple of videos. Make sure you go ahead and click on those. Oh, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like the video, share it with some friends, of course. Leave us a comment and click on this next video, and I will see you there.